need to take time to find your bread and butter trade. Ang focus is very important. Dahan-dahanin mo, wag ka mafo-FOMO. Diba? I always tell you to trust the system. No, I want you to wait for a confirmation candle. Wait for this line to be broken. Do never, ever do shortcuts in trading.
Kaya ang galing-galing talaga pag natutunan mo yung tinuturo ni Coach bago na-i-apply mo. Bago yung patient lang, yung patient tsaka yung discipline.
Si Coach kasi, he's not just a content creator. Talagang mentor siya. Pinaglalaanan niya ng oras lahat ng videos niya. Not for him, not to get subscribers, pero para matuto tayo, para maging profitable tayo kagaya niya. Sobrang amazing lang kasi konti lang yung taong gano'n na hindi madamot, na hindi niya sasalilinin kung paano siya mag-earn ng pera. Si Coach kasi mas gusto niya pang i-share yung blessings niya.
Nag-decide ako i-PM po kayo, nag-enroll po ako sa inyo sa beginner class. Ginawa ko po talaga everyday 3 to 4 videos na sa YouTube ang pinapanood ko, tapos ninonote ko pa talaga lahat.
Magpahinga ka. Hindi tatakbo yung market, hindi mauubos yung trade setup na yan. Find that bread and butter setup. Vulnerability in trading is our most accurate measurement of trading quotient. You have yet to see your success. You have yet to see your millions. Andiyan dyan na. Are you going to give up today? Or are you going to use the word not yet? Hey guys, Coach Miranda Miner here. Do you remember my podcast guesting sa PDAX just recently? Siyempre, chinek ko ulit yung PDAX account ko and gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga favorite benefits na nakuha ko from my crypto experience habang ginagamit si PDAX. I'm very happy there's PDAX for low fees, easier cash in and out, and for more tokens. PDAX, that stands for Philippine Digital Asset Exchange, is available in both web and in mobile app. First, sa mga benefits nito, it's really easy to cash in and out. Enjoy quick and hassle-free cash in and cash out services because of PDAX's wide network of partners. They have 30 cash in channels where PDAX's users can top up their wallets. Next, they have a wide variety of tokens. The exchange has 34 cryptocurrencies, and of course, this includes most top traded coins in the market. Lastly, low trading fees. The total net profit is going to be higher due to low trading fees. So sign up right now with PDAX for low fees, easier cash in and out, and for more tokens. You can also claim my referral code Coach Miranda to get 50 pesos worth of Bitcoin after you sign up and get verified.
Get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Hello. Can you guys hear me? Type 1 kung loud and clear. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat today, no? Today is September 30th, last day of the month of September, and I want to ask this question on during this Friday morning, no? Since this is the last, I believe, no, last day of the month already, yeah, last day of the month. no? How was your September so far, no? And I believe maraming it's been a mixed bag for all of us, no? Merong may mga profitable September, meron ding hindi, no? So we're gonna be talking about that later on as we go along in our live today. And by the way, in behalf of Coach Miranda Minor, if you are a new subscriber to our channel, I'm Mentor Justine, and we're doing this TGOF, or Thank God It's Friday, or Traders Guide Friday. Diba TGOF, when you say TGOF, it's Thank God It's Friday, you know. Pero yun nga, no? Traders Guide Friday, we're doing this for you, Miranda, and for all those mga subscribers natin, to be able to guide you with the market in terms of, you know, what to do with the weekend, no? And what happened ba. Let's check Bitcoin later on today. Let's have a bit of talk about those you know, motivational quotient. And kamusta naman kayo, Miranda, no? Kamusta naman, no? I'm actually watching or reading some of the comments right now. Shout out to Charles. Ay, was ka Charles sobrang early, no? Hello kay Charles, Sir Dusty, Jillian, Sir Leo, Sir Adrian, and we're also live in Binance, by the way. So we're doing multi-streaming. We're live in Binance, Facebook, and then YouTube channel, no? So very good. Shout out to Juan, Pronx, hello guys, Team Discord, and ano ba? Sino ba mga ano dyan? Shout out to Anasito. Uy, kailan na tayo mag-basketball? Kailan tayo mag-basketball? Hi Romel Caguete. Graduated beginner in Inter ngayong September, October. Let's go. Yung. Very good. Very good. So yun nga, no? One of the realization that I had this September, grabe yung market, no, guys? Grabe yung market. Pagkwentuhan natin yan mamaya, no? Pagkwentuhan natin yan. And not everyone could play with this type of market. Kasi we had a lot of things happen, no? A lot of things happen for the month of September. And is it really going to be a bull market or a good rally on the month of October? Let's talk about that later on. But for now, let's do technical charting. Know what's going to happen for Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin sitting on right now, and what are the things that we need to consider? No, or if you are a trader right now, what trade could we do in our market as of the moment? No. So, hello Mildav. Shout out from Singapore. Yeah. Good Charles. Yeah. Basketball, no? Go. Alright. Hi, Carl. Shout out, Idol. Hello, Carla. Saan ka? July 1. Okay. So, type 1, Miranda, if you were excited to do our technical charting today, mabilis na technical charting, but for now, we're gonna be, then later on, no? Later on, we're gonna be talking about, you know, how do you really, how are you going to start for the month of October, no? Since, and kamustahin natin, no? Mag-share ako kung ano ba nangyari ng September, and I know, medyo mahirap, no? Medyo mahirap, especially with the market, no? We had the CPI result, we have the Ethereum merge, CPI, the FOMC, ang dami nangyari ng September, no? Ang dami nangyari ng September. So, let's talk about that, and then, let's talk about for the next month. What are you going to do, okay? Ayun, dami nang excited, no? Alright, sige, let's do it now. And by the way, Mentor Oliver won't be able to join today. Kailangan asikasuhin. So, I'm gonna be doing the charting alone. So, there you go, guys. So, let's get it on. Hold on, one sec. There you go. Okay. So, for Bitcoin, we're currently, let's go on a daily time frame. Can you guys see the screen okay? Let me watch the replay. Hold on. Yan, malinaw naman, no? Okay, so for Bitcoin, currently, alam ko ang chinart nila Mentor kahapon sila CAG, no? Siguro reinforce natin yan today. But for now, let's try to do and find the support of Bitcoin as of the moment. Well, let's see this 2-year level support. So technically hindi niya pa naman binabasag to, no. We have this 2-year level support, and this is a strong support, to be honest, no. This is a strong support for Bitcoin. And hold on, I'm on a daily time frame. So the good thing is, on a daily perspective or on a higher time frame show, we are seeing a consolidation, no. That's the reason why we're not seeing good rally for Bitcoin, as you know, as you can see naman, pataas ng pataas yung ano natin, no. Nagkakaroon ng consolidation pa rin on a higher time frame note. But from here, let's try to do this instead. Do this one. So meron tayong resistance, no. Meron tayong resistance dito at malapit na, no. Medyo malapit na yung resistance natin. From here, I could use this one, no. March, since started last March, actually we can still move it here. Grabe, sobrang lapit na, no. Ano kaya, excited na ba kayo dito? Yung mga multi-month, no, multi-month breakouts. Yan natin, no, how is this going to happen? But technically for Bitcoin, palit na yung pinaka-apex of consolidation natin. So this is one thing that I want you guys to consider. You won't take big position as of the moment, since nandito ka pa lang sa loob ng trendline, nasa loob ka pa rin ng apex of consolidation mo. But in this case, medyo malapit na, medyo nakaka-excite, no? And let's see how is this going to go on for the month of October, no? And then historically, maganda naman yung rally natin, no? For the month of October. So let's see how is this going to go. MACD wise, okay. Volumes kind of picking up. There you go. So we have this trend line. Lapit na to. Let's go to 4 hours. So in my take right now for Bitcoin, what is the best thing that you could do, no? So well, technically you cannot do position trade for Bitcoin. What I could only suggest is for you to scalp or intraday the market. You don't leave, you know, big positions as of the moment. That's the best thing that, well, sinasabi naman natin yan. We're even teaching that in our university. So careful muna kayo sa mga big positions, no? Do your intradays, do your scalping. You trade inside, no? You trade inside the apex of your consolidation, because technically may strong resistance, may strong support, at nagre-ranging lang si Bitcoin on a higher time frame. So we don't expect big rallies, we don't expect big breakdowns, as we don't have, parang ito, market is doing its thing, no? Kumbaga, market is doing its, you know, job, no? Parang normal lang. We don't have yet a catalyst to push the price up or even to push the price down. Ang gagawin natin dyan, mga kamiranda natin, is let's wait, no? Let's wait for a catalyst, no? Kung ano ba yung mga kailangan nating abangan for the month of October, no? And si coach ang mag-discuss niyan, just like what we did last September, no? Parang ahead of time, we gave you the calendars or the events that will happen a month before, no? A month before. So please be guided with those dates that we're gonna be releasing. Alam ko may mga pwedeng mangyari, inflation report for the month of October. We're also gonna be waiting for that as well. So please follow us in our social platforms. You can visit us at Facebook group at Global Miranda Miner Group. And we also have Discord, no? Yung mga moderators natin will share the link on how to join in our Discord doon sa comment section natin. And then we also have Twitter. You can follow Coach Miranda Miner on Twitter. We also have Global Miranda Miner Twitter account, so you can follow us there, no? If you have any questions or inquiries, would like to enroll in our system, please visit our website www.globalmirandaminer.com. So there you go. Wait for those events, no? Wait for those events that we're gonna be posting, probably for the month of October, no? And that's gonna be our catalyst. Just yung mga naka-tune in nung CPI report, no? Nakita nyo naman how fundamental works or big market macroeconomics works in terms of our crypto, no? So there, that's my TA for Bitcoin. Technically, it's going to be ranging for I believe couple of days from here. We might see a breakout, but you need to always wait for your confirmation of the breakout from here or confirmation of breakdown kung ano mangyayari. But the best thing I could suggest for you tonight is, or today, this morning, is for you to just, scalp it here. Scalp nyo lang dyan sa inside. Okay? So, aside from Bitcoin, let's go ahead and chart CHZ. No? Yan. So, type 1 kay Miranda kung okay na sa kay Bitcoin. Malinaw naman yung kay Bitcoin. May CPI po ba mamaya? Wala po. Alright, sige. Let's go ahead and chart CHZ. Oh, hold on. Ayun. So for CHG, let's go on a daily time frame. Okay. So meron na siyang divergence, no? May left hand na tayo sa 1 day, no? That's the reason why it's kind of retracing. But let's figure out why it retraced, no? There's always a reason behind that, no? We can try to use this, or probably we're going to use extension instead, no? Just give me a couple of seconds, guys. Let's try to use a bigger Fibonacci then. Or hold on, guys. You can use this. Okay. So, ganyan, no? Start muna tayo sa daily time frame natin. And then from here, let's go to 4 hours. There's always a reason behind bakit nagkaroon ng retracement. So, possible this trend line resistance. And if you're gonna look at it, if you're gonna do back testing, this line, this is our strong resistance for CHZ, no? 0.280519. This is acting as a strong resistance. Meron tayong support, then previous support, then acted as our strong resistance, and then there. Let's go ahead and swing low to swing high. We have a strong support at 0.382. Okay. You can consider this one as well, pero I'm not gonna use this muna. I'll wait for this horizontal support now. But technically right now, as of the moment, where is CAG bouncing, no? If you're gonna go swing low to swing high, we have immediate support at 0.5 line. So if you're going to wait for this, then on 1 hour time frame, meron tayong hidden convergence. So you might want to consider this thing. Ito na lang yung magiging wiggle room mo. Then this is something that you could play. Same goes with Bitcoin. Yeah, same goes with Bitcoin. This is going to be your wiggle room, so you can scalp it inside this triangle. Okay. So any question, Miranda? So ganun lang, no? If you're going to scalp the market, what I want you guys to do is to, palitin nyo lang yung palitin nyo yung pinaka wiggle room niya, or you wait. What you need to do is to find a smaller swings, no? And then scalp lang talaga. Let's say for example, this one, no? Where you're going to scalp it inside this triangle. Kasi nga technically, I cannot do big position or swing trade, position trade. What I can only do is to do scalping in possible intraday, no? Possible intraday. So what I'm going to do, what my job is for me to identify this line, this apex, am I going to wait for a breakout? Am I going to wait for a trend line support breakdown, etc., etc. Okay? But for CHZ, on a big picture time frame, it could still go down actually. Pwede pa din. But let's see how this support will go into hold, no? Itong 0.5 natin kasi that is our immediate support, no? If, just in case magkaroon ng breakdown, we do have a, let's try to do swing low to swing high. We do have the 0.382 could act as a strong support, and meron din tayong trendline support dito. That's for big picture charting for. Kasi technically, may left hand na to eh. So, left hand will never activate until you see a trendline support breakdown. So, you need to wait for this trendline support breakdown. Let's see how this candle will react from here. We might see a bounce or we might see an activation. It's just, you know, going to be a make or break for CHZ. Okay? Sino pa? XRP, no? Alam ko may charting na ako dyan, no? Na-chart na natin si XRP. But before that, no? Let's chart GMT. So, GMT, medyo, medyo babang-baba na sa GMT. But let's try to find this support line, no? I'm on a daily time frame. Meron tayong support line from here. And where did we get that one? Just give me couple of seconds, guys. Let's see. Can use this. Alright, we do have this strong support at 0.5 line. Technically, hindi pa natin nililitas yan. So, we have a trend line resistance. There we go. No, I'm not gonna use this one now. Just give me a sec. Sige, si XRP chart natin yan. I think I do have charting for XRP, but let's chart it later on. I'll share to you my chart for XRP. For GMT muna, technically still on a consolidation on a higher time frame note. But in this case, we could try to do this. We do have a support dito. Yan. Kaya tayo nag-bounce doon. Same thing, guys. No? Same thing with what I want you guys to do is to find your smaller swings, your apex of consolidation para hindi kayo malilito, no? Para hindi kayo malilito. But still, you know, the law of time frame or respect your elders pa rin, no? At the end of the day, sila naman yung nasusunod, no? So if you were to scout this market, check the higher time frame first, no? Just like what I'm doing right now, no? I'm checking the daily time frame, not for the sake of, you know, para makapunta lang magawa ko lang yung naked charting, but also to understand the market trend, the market structure on your daily perspective, on a higher time frame perspective. Kasi in that way, it will be able to help me to check, no, ano ba yung kailangan kong i-consider, no? Am I going to be so bullish on this asset? Am I going to be shorting this asset? It will really depend on the trend of your elders, no, or your higher time frame trend mo. So at the end of the day, it's still really important for us to go on or do always naked charting, no, and identify. Nakikita nyo naman, no, from day I went down to 4 hours to 1 hour to 15 minutes just for me to take and to check kung ano ba yung ano ba yung trade na gagawin ko on this specific asset. Okay, so sige, chart natin si XRP. Oh, okay. Ayan, may chart ako XP. Pero let's do it again. Let's redo it, no? Let's go to daily time frame. So, si XRP, no? Alam niyo ba, bakit kaya lumilipad si XRP ngayon, no? What do you guys think, no? Type 1 or type your answer below. Type your answer below. Ba't kaya lumilipad si XRP ngayon? What do you guys think? Bago natin i-chart. Ay, grabe si XRP. Kala ko order yung sinet ko ng madaling araw. Alarm pala, lol. Antok na talaga. Ganda ng XRP, he. Bullish divergence sa 1 hour. Ganda pagka TRBO. SEC po, panalo na yata. Fundamental. Yeah. Mm. Yan. Okay yan, no? May FA. Marunong na rin kayo sa FA, no? Of course, I know that. I just wanted to check, no? Kung ano ba yung alam nyo sa in terms of, kapag nag-chart ba kayo, check nyo din yung FA, then that's good, no? That's good. Ibig sabihin, very good, no? Very good kayo and lagi kayo naka-tune in. Sila pa nag-dead demand sa SEC. Okay, very good. So, but technical charting perspective for let me do big picture charting for XRP. You have a strong resistance on your 0.382 line. There you go, at 0.5242, no? 0.5242. Bago tayo makaakyat ng $1 mark, medyo matagal-tagal pa. Let's see, there's going to be a lot of resistances kay XRP. Pero, if you do have FA, no, that's not impossible, no? That's not impossible. So, let's see, no? Let's stay tuned on that FA or fundamentals about XRP, but let's try to also chart it on a intraday or scalping perspective, no? What are you going to do if you don't have yet possession for XRP? One thing that I want you to do first is to reevaluate and think about your charts, no? Baka mamaya nasa social pressure ka lang because of, or nafo-FOMO ka lang in terms of ang dami nagtitrade ng XRP, ang dami kumikita kay XRP, but I want you to check yourself first, no, before you enter on this asset. So let's check it on a 1 hourly time frame. Meron ng divergence technically. So let's try to do trendline support. Okay, nag-bounce sa trendline support natin dito. Cool, ang ganda ng ano niya. Ang sexy ng chart niya. Okay. Grabe, oh. Yun. Medyo nagre-retrace, no? Where could this bounce? Let's say, if this will go into bounce, let's try to find the immediate support. Immediate support could be around this 0.5 line. Or 0.382 pwede, no? Pero I'll consider this 0.5 since marami tayong support dito. So, may quiz ako sa inyo later, Miranda, no? Kung nanood kayo ng live namin the last time, if you don't have possession yet for XRP, I'll let you guys answer this. No? If you don't have yet possession for XRP, what would you do? Papasukin mo na ba to? Are you going to enter long on this one? So, what are you going to do? Tingnan natin kung saan nag-correct sa XRP. Exactly, di ba? Saktong-sakto, may 618 doon. So, may immediate resistance ka dito. That is your 618 line. And you also have a strong resistance nung kanina, yung kinuha natin sa daily, around 0.5240. Immediate resistance at 0.5040. Very good. So, ano ang gagawin mo dito, Miranda? If you are trying to position for XRP and, ano ang iyong gagawin? Wait for bounce play. Okay. Very good. Okay. I'm seeing right answer or good answer. Tama. Alright. Okay. So, find your supports, no? Maganda naman yung volume natin. Yun nga kasi meron naman tayong fundamentals for XRP. So, let's wait for this one. Wait for the bounce, no? Wait for the bounce. Or, tingnan nyo din, no? Make sure to wait for the confirmation of the bounce. Baka mamaya magkaroon ng selling dyan. So, don't enter on those trades, no? Wait for breakouts on previous high. Okay. Yeah, you can also do that, Sir Kem. Yep. Very good. So that is for XRP, no, Miranda. And siguro let's chart 3 more coins and then let's talk about, let's talk about emotional quotient for the month of October since the next month na naman. And I want you to check yourself, no? Check yourself how how was the month of September for you? Is it a profitable one? Is it still on the rat race, or still trying to cope up with the, or pwedeng break even, may mga ganun eh. So let's see. Let's chart at least 2 more coins today. Give me a second. Sino ba? Si Ethereum, of course. So kalimutan ko si Ethereum. There you go. So technically kay Ethereum, guys, parehas lang, no? Parehas lang kay Bitcoin. Ethereum on a higher time frame, meron tayong 0.618 possible bounce. There you go. Wait for bounce mentor para sa mga normalized na si MACD muna sa 1 hour time frame. Wait ng bounce sa immediate support, alright? Wait for resistance breakout, bounce play either who gives grade A setup. Very good. Make fib extension from top to get to the possible bounce area. Yeah. Or you could just use the normal Fibonacci that I used. Pwede yun. You can do it. Kasi hindi pa naman extended move technically yung pababa niya. So you don't really have to, you don't really have to go on extended move right away. So we're all good with that. Pag nag-bounce sa mentor, it should be MACD bullish cross. Yeah, confirmation, no? Confirmation of the bounce. Fibonacci trader ka, coach. Yeah, I'm in our system we used Fibonacci. Now, if you're interested, to check our testimonials about the system, you can visit our website, you can visit our group or Facebook page, globalmirandaminer.com. So, guys, pa-check naman nung like button kung gumagana. Okay, so I'm actually reading the comments here, sorry. That's the reason why I'm not Sir, mahina po yung mic nyo ata, excuse me. Check your... Okay naman sa iba, I believe. So, yeah, anyway, Ethereum, no? Ethereum daily time frame, our current support is 1,320 using swing low to swing high of our Fibonacci. This is a critical support to break for Ethereum. But as of the moment, we're seeing consolidation on this range, and we have been consolidating for how many days already? Let's try to check it. Okay naman, okay. Just give me a second, guys. Let's see how long is this consolidation already. Okay, so we've been consolidating for 10 days. We've been consolidating for 10 days. Same with Bitcoin, just like what I've said. No, higher time frame is still consolidation. That's the reason why we're not seeing big rally in our market today. Naga na mentor na pindot ko na. Alright, cool. Nalike ko na mentor, okay. Yan, very good. Thank you guys. So, anyway, we've been consolidating for 2 weeks already at 10 days. And what's going to happen for Ethereum next? Then let's try to, we have a support, or that is your critical support at 1,320. And aside from that one, we also do have this thing. We also have a support from this range, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Diyan tayo actually nag-bounce. So from there, we're seeing consolidation. What's going to happen next? Am I seeing triple bottom? Pwede. Yeah. Alright, cool. Cool. Alright, so from here, let's try to chart Ethereum. Palitin natin yung mundo niya, no? Just give me a couple of seconds there. Yan. Or hindi, intay ko na lang yung neckline. So you have a 0.38 to resistance. Ito na lang yung wiggle room mo kay Ethereum. Mentor Justin, bakit ang pogi mo? Mas pogi ka, Sir Dusty. Hi, kaya kailangan ko na mag-win sa trade para makabilan ng headset. Okay, so from here, you have a immediate resistance, no? Technically, we are consolidating. We're using, nire-respect niya tong trendline support, no? So what we're going to do is to wait for this consolidation. Then if you want to position for intraday for Ethereum, then I'll wait for a much bigger wiggle room, to be honest. You can scalp this. Yan, scalp nyo lang yan sa loob. Wait for you can use your CCI or Almucharting or scalp it inside the triangle lang din. Same with Bitcoin, guys. So, but yung ibang trader, coach, nagti-TA din sa Nasdaq, etc. Kahit sa crypto lang naman sila nag-open ng trade. Okay. Well, Sir Manuel, because in our system, we actually do TA for Nasdaq as well. Not just for Nasdaq, but also for different tech stocks, kasi from there, we teach that in our system as Nasdaq and Bitcoin, intermediate class. Alam nyo naman yun, that there's a big correlation in both, no? That's the reason, Sir Manuel, just to answer your question. Sir, may link po ba on how to enroll? Sir Charles, no? I believe Kuya Charles will be sending the link, Sir Gon ZC. So, yun, no? I hope I answered all of your questions. So, from there, yun, wait for Ethereum to just, trade it inside the triangle, and technically, what's going to happen for the next weekend, or for this weekend coming, technically Friday na ngayon, di ba? So Saturday, Sunday. What do I usually do whenever it's weekend? I actually don't have trade, no? I don't trade pag weekend kasi nga, well, low volume, wala masyadong, and I take that time just to relax, no? Kasi you cannot be always on trade. You cannot be always on your computer. You cannot always be on your trading zone. Kasi little did you know, let's say you have been charting for almost 24 hours or let's say 8 hours or 12 hours. Little did you know, yung utak mo nade-drain na yan, no? Nade-drain na yan. So you have to have a kind or a thing you call you call napagda-divertan mo ng yung attention, no? So it's not always about lagi ka nagtitrade, no? Hindi ka lagi na dapat nagtitrade. So pag you only trade your bread and butter setups, no? And from there, no, I believe before we move forward in our talk today, okay naman na siguro yung mga chartings natin. Let's talk about, how are you going to start your October next month or tomorrow, no? 30/01. October 1 na, grabe guys, sobrang bilis ng ating magpapasko na. Magpapasko na naman, no? Wait natin si Ninong, no? Si Ninong later sa live. So anyway guys, watch this commercial real quick before we move forward in our session today. Just give me a couple of seconds.
Hello, Miranda. I'm Mentor Rose.
I'm Mentor Luke.
Are you an experienced crypto trader and interested in cryptocurrency certification?
Or are you a newbie in crypto na hindi alam kung paano at saan magsisimula?
We have good news, Miranda. Global Miranda Miner Elite University is now offering a crypto primer course just for you.
You can learn more about cryptocurrency, NFT, DAOs, Web 3.0 when you enroll in our crypto primer course.
And wait, there's more. We will issue a certificate after you take the course so you can be a certified crypto NFT decentralized finance professional.
Wow! So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Visit us at our official website www.globalmirandaminer.com.
Hurry and enroll now, Miranda.
See you in our classes.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Pag nag-exam ako, yun makikita ko. Yun lagi nakikita ko. Tapos parang way of, wina-welcome mo yung positive energy and ina-achieve ko, di ba?
Simple lang dahil bukod sa pagiging profitable at proven and effective ang Miranda Miner trading system, napakarami mong pwedeng matutunan kay Coach Miranda Miner na hindi mo matutunan sa ibang mga mentor.
Ako po kasi talagang ang hinahanap-hanap ko yung one-on-one coaching. Gusto ko po kasi magkaroon ng personal relationship sa coach or mentor ko. Matanong kasi ako. Kaya perfect po talaga para sa akin ang mentoring class.
mapapolish mo talaga yung skills mo as a trader at kung anong types of trader ka. Para dun sa mga taong nagdadalawang isip o natatakot na subukan yung crypto trading or alamin yung crypto trading, nahan dito ang Global Miranda Mining System para i-provide sa inyo ang mga necessary data in a way na mas madali nyo siyang maiintindihan.
Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons.
Hello, we're back, Miranda. So, couple of announcements, no, before we talk on our topic today. So in this case, unang-una, yung Binance Live natin last night, no, with the mentors, it's actually gathered 8,500 likes sa Binance Live natin, no. And this morning meron din, no. So very good, no. Sobrang nakaka-proud lang that we are, you know, it's, I don't know, I just can't if we are, that's kasi sobrang laki ng Binance, guys, diba? And na-feature tayo doon. So that's really something na very overwhelming, to be honest, but I'm really proud that we, you know, we get a chance to represent our brand today. So ayun, no. So, and then second announcement is Coach Miranda Miner won't be having a live tonight kasi alam niyo naman kung ano meron bukas, yung FIB Masterclass. By the way, we are already cutting off the enrollments dyan for now. Sorry. Okay. So, for now, and then from there, see you on October 1st, 2022 na it's a one-day session, no? It will start from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. no, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So from there, matututo kayo on Fibonacci, as we talk about a lot of ways, kasi maraming nalilito sa Fibonacci, and I totally get it kasi hindi naman siya ganun kadali talagang matutunan. So we do have a masterclass, and that's not the only masterclass that we might have. We don't know, we might have a couple of masterclass soon, no? And you might want to put yourself on those slot already. So just wait for announcements, and then yun. Ganun pala dumigay. Sorry guys. Natigay ako. Kakakapi ko to. Sorry. Yeah. Meron na po bang ibang schedule for FIB Masterclass or October lang 1 po talaga? Yeah, October 1st pa lang, but soon, no? Pwede yan. Mentor, hindi po ako avail ng ganong oras tomorrow. Mapapanood ko kayo ang recorded vids. Yes. As long as you sign up, no? As long as you sign up. Yeah. Kuya Justin, mamaya ba isasend yung link ng FIB? FIB Masterclass. We're actually preparing it now, no? Para ready na for tomorrow. Mentor, yung sa mentoring, kailan last na bigayan ng schedule? They will email to you, Sir Lex. They will email to you. Yeah. They will email to you. So, just to set your mood, no, Kamiranda natin, before we wrap up the show, no, kasi we're just live for an hour, no. Have you guys asked yourself, no, or look at yourself for the month, no? I want you to, reflect on what happened for the month of October, or September rather. And kasi there's a lot, no? And not everyone could really profit on those type of markets, no? Even sobrang galing mo na, there are really some type of the market that, you're just going to, it's something new to me, no? Something new to me. So, in that case, Kamiranda, if you're experiencing that, if you experience losses for the month of September, naka-experience ka ng profitability for the month of September, or break even ka lang, regardless what happened for the month of September, there are just, one thing in common. There's one thing in common, which is you've learned a lot of lessons from there, no? And I want to challenge you for the next month, no? Since tomorrow na bukas, no? Grabe sobra. Tapos next month, next month, Pasko na, ganun. So what I want you to do is, Miranda, is to challenge yourself. How are you going to, level up, no? If you are seeing opportunity on, if you're seeing opportunity on, how we're going to flat Fibonacci on still on emotions, handling emotions, then I want you to work it out, no? Read books, everything. Basta every day is going to be a new challenge for you. Every month is going to be a new challenge for you. And ma-share ko lang, no, Miranda, no. Ma-share ko lang. I had a talk with one of our student, no. Nag-message siya sa akin sa Twitter. Yeah, Twitter. We had a talk, hindi ko na papangalanan, no. Pero yun nga, ang naging usap namin is okay naman daw, no. Consistent naman na siya when he is handling small capital pa lang in his trading, no. Pero consistent as in 1 to 2 months yung consistency niya. But this time, nung nagtaas siya ng margin, then that's the time na nagkaroon na siya ng losses. But what he's saying is, trade niya lang pa rin naman yung same, no? Parehas lang yung trade, parehas lang yung everything. Everything is the same, no? Pero there's really a big difference na talaga when we've talked about, a larger amount of money involved in trading, no? So kayo, Miranda, have you guys experienced that already? We've also talked about this last Wednesday, yung live natin nung Wednesday yung live natin sa Discord with our mentee alumni. Have you guys experienced that already? Yung ganon, yung okay naman pero pag nagtaas ka ng margin biglang culture shock ka or whatever. Yung emotions mo nandoon. Waiting na ako sa link, mentor. Why so pogi? Love you. Okay. Pwede po ba umabot sa Master Fee class? Pwede po ba move yung mentoring from October to November? Rocksteady, if you have any inquiries, you can email support@globalmirandaminer.com for the university. Mentor PM ako sa Discord. Okay, Sir RJ, I'll check on that. Copy mentor, or bawi ako sa October after Feb class, sunog ako last CPI. Okay. Yeah. Yes, ganyan din nangyari sa akin minsan. Yeah. Ano pa, mayroon pa ba kayo, may mga nakaranas pa ba niyan? Yung kapag okay naman, kapag stick ka, no? Kumbaga, in 2,000, kunyari, you're trading 5,000 pesos, okay naman, no? But by the time na nag-add up ka ng margin, then that's the time baba. Ay nagkakaroon ng pag-iba sa emotions or natatalo, no? Kahit parehas naman ng trade setups. And I know, no, actually for me, ang unang sinabi sa kanya, ang advice ko sa kanya is it's actually nung tumaas leverage ko, nakalaban ako emotion ko, mentor. So ang simple lang sinabi ko, no? And I know a lot of you guys are going to experience this, no? And it's a good problem. I could say. It's a good problem kasi sabi niya nga, chinek niyo muna yung consistency niya. Kasi yung iba nga hindi nagkakaroon ng winning trades, eh, di ba? Mahirap kumita ng 5%, mahirap kumita ng 10%. Di ba? Pero siya, ang ginawa niya, ang nangyari sa kanya kasi is kumikita na siya ng consistently on trades, pero he wants to level up. No, he wants to level up and put a higher capital per se. Just to, syempre, iba na yung kumbaga, you're confident na, and he was able to test it for 2 months naman, no? So that's okay. But yun nga, no? Siguro ang sinabi ko lang sa kanya, it's a good problem to have. Good thing that you were able to acknowledge na meron kang na nakita mo ng consistency and you're trying to level up, no? It's a good thing, no? Kasi you're self-acknowledged, meron kang self-awareness na, okay, I need to go on a higher margin already, but this is going to be there's gonna be a lot of difference, no? So that's exactly the same thing that I said, no? Whenever you try to put a larger amount of money, unang-una, if that is outside your financial or financial what do you call this, scope. Kumbaga, hindi mo pa afford talaga yung ganun, no? But you just na-hype ka lang because your consistency. But technically, in your overall account, hindi mo para man kaya ma-loss yung ganung amount na itataya mo. So, in that case, Kapag hindi pa talaga kaya, what I want you to do to consider as well before you step up, before you put a larger capital, no? A larger capital, you follow our position sizing, no? That we teach in our system. So from there, hindi ka mag-all in, kaya okay lang, no? Kaya kahit mawalan ka, matalo ka ng ganitong pera, okay lang. 'Di ba? Hindi kasi doon tayo nagkakaroon, ano bang pinagkaiba? Ang problem lang is yung emotions, 'di ba? We cannot afford that money to lose, right? So what we just tend to do is, imbes na kunyari, for example, you're trading 100,000 and then you're trading 5,000 pesos. Yung negative ng 5,000 pesos mo, nag-red yung kandila, nag-negative, okay lang kasi minus lang ako ng 500. Imagine you're trading 200,000 per trade. Isang kandila lang or isang angat lang ng kandila, negative magkano? 15, 10,000, 3,000. Mga ganun na agad yung negative sa'yo, di ba? So, in that case, that is normal, no? That is normal. That's the reason why you need to step up gradually. Hindi pwedeng from 5,000 to 100,000 right away. No. There's going to be a different, I treat it as a ladder for me. When I started trading 2017, I started from a small capital as well, pero hindi ako bigla-biglang nagmalaking margin, no? I earn my way, you know, tinuturo naman natin sa class yan, no? I earn my way to be on what margin I'm trading right now. So, ang gawin mo lang dyan, treat it as a ladder, no? Miranda, treat it as a ladder. In every step, that's gonna be a different margin. That's gonna be a different trading fund for you. So, but before you step up, before you move forward on a different step, what I want you to consider is your consistency and your emotions, and you have to accept that you will really experience losses on those steps kasi that's gonna be a different playground for you. That's gonna be a different parang ibang mundo siya, parang gano'n. That's out of your thing, kumbaga it's out of your comfort zone. But from there, as you go along on that, you know, playground, you'll get to know what it's feel inside on that playground. Nagigets nyo? Parang it will really take time. Tapos kunyari, for example, naging consistent ka na rin doon on that specific money, diba? On that specific trading amount that you're trading, then gradually put or maglagay ka na ng konti, kumbaga dagdagan mo na. Okay, gradually, hindi yung isang bagsak ganyan, isang bagsak 500,000, isang bagsak 1,000,000 trade, hindi ganun. Right? Diba? So, panoorin nyo guys yung video ni Coach na Power of Yet. Yeah. Correct. And I get it, no? I get it. Hindi naman tayo hindi ako naninermon guys. Ano lang, no? Parang just for you guys to feel the gravity na we're doing business now, no? We're doing business here in trading. We're not doing this for the sake of hobby. Diba? We all here, and there's a reason why you're watching right now, why you enrolled in our university, why you are part of the group in Facebook, in Discord. There's a reason behind that. Kasi we all want to get profitable. Regardless what the type of market we have, no? Regardless what type of way in crypto you want to earn. Is it going to be, you know, play to earn games, investment, trading, and there's a lot more, staking, marami. So there's a reason behind bakit nandito ka. So what I want you to do is to take it seriously and you know, have the accountability and self-awareness on what you are doing. Hindi mo naman pinupulot yung pera mo, di ba? So yeah, The Power of Yet, please do watch it. Sarap matulog kahit may position. Okay, weekends po ako nasusunugan. Okay, until napanood ko yung Power of Yet, medyo bumalik na yung tuwala ako sa sarili ko every trades. Yeah. Ilang years kayo bago kayo naging profitable trader, coach? Basta I started 2K17 or 2017. Ganyan din ako, nag-increase ako ng 50%. Doon ako nag-start magkatalo mentor. Diba? Exactly. Nung tumaas leverage ko, nakalaban ko na emotions ko. Yeah. So, I hope you've learned a lot today, Miranda natin, and it's been, you know, a productive. Let's make this Friday a productive day for us. If you're not seeing any bread and butter setups, then what I want you to do is just to observe the market. This, what I always said and our other mentors said, sometimes the best possessions are also a possession, or controlled loss is also win, and the best trades that you can have for today is not trading at all if you are not compatible with or comfortable with trading with this type of market. Kasi more on scalping, more on intraday lang, smaller swings, you should know that already. If you're not comfortable with that, then just take a pause, enjoy the weekend, enjoy the Friday, take a Friday night. Diba? Magmanood ka ng live, mag-watch ka ng Netflix. Diba? Ilang taon ka na, Mentor Justine? I'm 23. The joke, 18. So yun lang, Miranda natin, no? I hope you've learned a lot today. And sana marami kayong natutunan, no? I'm just going to read comments, no? Just give me 1 second.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good.
Ayun, Miranda, no? Meron ako nabasa, no? Kasi sorry. Medyo bumabalik na wait lang. Alright, so yun, so marami nakarelate, no, sa natin. Marami nakarelate sa topic natin on emotional quotient natin, no? So, start of the month, October tomorrow. I'm really excited for the month of October, as we're going to be trading again. So type 1 sa mga kumota for this month of September. Very good job sa inyo. At if you are net loss for the month of September, that's okay. Just make sure that you've learned your lesson on every types of trades that you had for the month of September. So that's it, Miranda, and I hope you've learned a lot today. In behalf of Coach Miranda Miner and the mentors, thank you for having an opportunity to be able to speak to you all and to chart, and I hope you get guided with the type of market that we have right now. And binabati ko yung mga nasa Facebook natin, yung mga nasa Binance natin. We're actually live sa Binance as well. And dito sa mga YouTube channel ni Coach, please don't forget to click subscribe if you are a new subscriber, and click the notification bell for you guys to get updated with the videos that we're gonna be uploading. And please check kung gumagana yung like button natin dyan, and stay tuned, we're gonna be having more lives in our GMMG mornings. And thank you guys for supporting us. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and I love you guys 3,000. Bye.
Love you 3,000.
And Habak 3,000 from UAE.
Love you 3,000.